Neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's impact millions globally. These conditions cause progressive neuron loss, leading to severe cognitive and motor dysfunction. But recent breakthroughs in neuroregeneration offer new hope. Neuroregeneration aims to repair or regrow nervous tissue. Key advancements include stem cell therapy, which can replace damaged neurons, particularly in Parkinson's. Gene therapy corrects genetic mutations, enhancing the brain's repair ability. Precision neurology tailors treatments to individual patients, improving outcomes by using biomarkers for early diagnosis. This personalized approach ensures patients receive effective therapies at the right time. Exciting clinical trials show promise. Stem cell therapies are enhancing motor function in Parkinson's patients and improving cognitive function in Alzheimer's. However, challenges remain, including ethical concerns and translating lab successes into treatment. Despite this, ongoing research holds the promise of effective interventions to restore balance in brain health. Join the movement in exploring these groundbreaking advancements. Stay informed about the future of neuroregenerative medicine.